Yeah.
Man, I'm trying to get a gator or something.
Word.
I'm trying to catch a little gator.
Are you really? You crazy as hell, bro. Them things will snap you, bro.
Man, I'm gonna put that shit up in the pool.
You ain't gonna put that shit in no pool.
When I got the pool in the back, I'll put that shit up in there.
Bro, hell nah, yo. You crazy. You crazy as fuck for that, yo.
Shit, I mean, you know, you call me what the fuck you wanna call me.
Yeah. Yes, sir. There you go. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Alright, yo.
And he just charged us $1 million, man.
I ain't charging you no $1 million, bro.
Hey, look, you gotta, y'all going to work now. You gotta take him with you.
I ain't got.
No,
Yeah, alright, yo. You crazy as hell, bro.
y'all gotta go to work now.
You got your car open. You good, bro?
All right, bro. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem, big dog. No problem.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
hey, y'all need
How we
to-
doing?
Good evening, sir.
Good, brother. Good. Hey, mommy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Have a good day, all right, bro? Yo, you got my number. Your shorty got my number. If you ever need it again, just let me know. I'll give you a discount.
No